Hello, good morning. This morning I'm eating apple as my breakfast. See, look at the apple for my friends. Wow, it's called rose apple. Hmm, hmm. Look at there are plenty. Look at this one. Wow, there are plenty. Sheesh. I'm eating apple. Hey. I made apple. I'll be near Totom now. Injury apple, many in your toto. Adam fit. Can you do it? Apple as your breakfast. Look at them. Apple I didn't know there was plenty yesterday. I just click them. Just remain this one for my breakfast this morning. I just remain these for my breakfast. Let me just reserve this for lunch, okay? Eat this one for breakfast. This one is for breakfast now, and this one we're gonna be for lunch. How do you feel my apple? Let me oppress you. The person that is watching this video, let me oppress you. Hey, this is the apple. So delicious. This was the apple from the Garden of Eden. I got this apple all the way from Garden of Eden. So if you want an apple, you can go to the Garden of Eden. Now, if you want an apple from the Garden of Eden, just DM me. I'll give you the apple. Apple from the Garden of Eden is the best. They are pure organic and Look at my sister there. Hello, sister. Say hi. Come here. Come to the camera. Come. Come closer, man.
Hi.
I'm eating apple from the Garden of Eden. Oh, that's for my video. Now, this guy, that's for my video. I'm eating an apple from the garden. This apple is from the Garden of Eden. Once you eat this apple, your eye will open. Once you eat this apple, your eye will open like this, eh? My breakfast. This is the best apple. Local apple is the best. No preservative, no chemical. Organic, just pure organic. If you keep eating apple as your breakfast every morning, you look fresh and healthy like me. Bye. One love.